Welcome back to our channel. We're Matt and Shelby, and we've been traveling for a while now and sharing our adventures on here. Check out our other videos, like last week when we explored the beautiful coastal town of Savtat, only to find that it was not at all what we expected.
Today, we are going on another adventure. We are going to an island called
LOPUD.
LOPUD.
LOPUD? I think.
iPood? Are you a pood?
LOPUD.
LOPUD. So we need to take a bus to get to LOPUD.
Not LOPUD.
Not to be confused with LOPUD.
Yeah, LOPUD.
And from there, we'll take a ferry to LOPUD.
I think we might get to take like a golf cart or something over to the other side of the island to the beach, which I've heard is very nice.
Should be a good time.
Going hitchhiking over here.
You might have forgotten about me. I'm never in front of the camera. I'm never the talent, never the star. Always the supporting act.
The best supporting act. Not snarky one bit. Well, the bus is taking its sweet time. The ferry leaves at 10 and it's like 9:30, so I don't know. I don't know if we're gonna make it.
No. If we don't make it, then what will we do?
Beach? I don't know.
Sure.
What would you want to do?
Works for me.
Finally got onto a bus. See if it'll take us to where we're supposed to go. Well, I think we made it to the right place.
First we gotta go get us tickets to the ferry. We have a few minutes to spare, so... Oh, you can buy it online. Well, what do you know? Guess I didn't do enough research. We got the tickets. We're getting on that boat. And we're gonna go to an island called LOPUD. Well, we have arrived in LOPUD, and just a heads up, I did take a pill of Dramamine this morning because my tummy doesn't always do well on ferries. This one was really calm though, so I think I could have done it without, but I hadn't tried, so I didn't know. But
Why did they need to have a heads up for that?
because I might be low on energy today and they might wonder why.
We are right at that red dot. We're gonna take the yellow path. See those churches there, the blue dots? Keep going, and then we're gonna cut across and go to the beach. That's Suns.
We are still trying to get to the beach.
Well, I'm not doing a very good job of it. We went up this other path to see this fortress, but the fortress is like an actual hike. We found this cool little abandoned church. I learned a short history of LOPUD. Kind of cool, but also sort of sad.
Oh.
I don't know this
And
story, so
wait to the end of the video to find out.
No, we'll just put it here.
I know, I'm kidding. So now we're gonna find our way to the beach and
We're gonna try, but we definitely
figure it out.
went on the path that's like a hike, and I think that there's another path that's more of just a walk.
You can take a golf cart.
Supposedly, I didn't see anyone.
Yeah, might be
on
off
one,
season,
yeah.
but at least we have a cool view. We're headed to the beach. Oh, this is cool. It's kind of fun.
For a second, walk.
Okay. This island has a pretty interesting history. Originally, it was founded by the Greeks and the Romans at different times, obviously. But they basically really enjoyed this place. I think it was kind of a little pit stop for a lot of them. I think towards the 1st or 2nd century, it was populated by the Croats and kind of became like a hustling, bustling island. There were almost 2,000 people. To put that into perspective, now there's only about 150 people that live on the island.
Wow.
So quite a few more people. Yeah, kind of as history has gone on, it's become more sad. It basically got taken over by the Italians and Germans during World War II. They basically pushed a bunch of people off. There's so much history that has happened here, but it's cool.
This is another church.
We might be lost. That looks like the right road.
Finally, we just have to get to it.
We're going the right way. We've come to a path. We're going to the beach and some food, and I guess these are some scenic ruins. Open graves.
Ooh,
Ooh,
you get to choose which one.
that's a little spooky.
We're finally here.
I got a new contraption, a beer with a Sprite in it, which actually is pretty good.
Can I try it?
Sure.
I like that better than regular beer, yeah.
We're gonna jump in the Wawa.
We have sand again.
Sand again.
Sand in Europe.
Such nice sand. Sadly, we're done with our beach day. Way too short, but very sweet. Heading back. Heading back.
Come back, and thankfully not on our feet.
So when you go to Sanya Beach on the other side of LOPUD, you can take a little golf cart as a taxi.
There's no cars on this island.
Right now it's 50 kuna. They might change that at some point.
What? No,
Pickleball courts! Epic. Anyway, you can take a little taxi. They drop you off like not at the very
Yeah, I'm confused. 'Cause
And-
they didn't drop us off at City Center. I thought that they would. Took us like halfway.
yeah. So
But I'm
just have
kinda
your
glad-
expectations ready.
I'm kind of glad we did it the way we did. I at least wouldn't want to do the opposite, where like we had to take a taxi there and then walk back after like
Totally.
being in the sun and going in the water. That'd be so tiring.
Yeah.
So at least we went there, we walked, we got our exercise, and then we took a nice little ride back.
Yeah. Our taxi lady gave us
That's dirty.
5 minutes to get to the place, so we're just gonna run. We'll see if we make it.
We made it.
We made it. That taxi lady.
Yeah, it's all her fault.
Next time, we're finishing up our stay in Croatia in the best way we know how. A food tour. We're showing you all the best eateries around this special town. From our favorite little bakery to one of the best dinners we've ever had. You won't want to miss it.